Hi and happy weekend. I hope you are all doing well. As you probably read from the title, I will be unbagging my Bolzano handbag subscription. I'm super excited. I really loved this, the last one I had, the fall and winter sneak peek. I also have a bag that I received that they sent to Chicago before they knew I moved, and it's super cute. I was gonna grab it and show you guys, but I'll show you at the end of the video because I forgot to grab it and it is in a different room. But I just wanted to show you guys that one since I missed out on unbagging it. My mom actually unboxed it because she wasn't sure what it was, so, but she still had it in Chicago and she gave it to me. It's super cute. But anyways, this is going to be the November bag. So if you're unfamiliar, this subscription service is, like the name suggests, handbags, and also comes with accessories. So you get one purse and then 2 to 3 accessories. And you only pay $33.95 and you get a value of up to $250. So it's pretty awesome. And they also gave me a code to share with you guys. If you use it, I don't benefit, it's just for you guys. You get a free gift. It's a $45 value, I believe. I will leave all the information in the description below. It's a great deal. I know some of you claimed that last month when I posted. Let me know what you guys got as your free gift. I'm so curious to hear what it is. But anyways, let's go unbagging. So it comes in this big white bag. I'm just gonna rip it open. And inside the bag it comes in this another cute little bag. So like a duster bag that you can store your purse in if you'd like. And it says Bolzano on it, and there's a cute little bow on top. Let's see if that says anything. Okay, so yeah, it just says the logo and everything. So, and there's a tie closure. I'm super excited. I loved my bag last month. I think I already said that, but it was like the plum purple bag. So cute. I brought it with me to Chicago recently when I traveled. When I just booked another flight. I'm going to Chicago again super soon. My friend's getting married. Ooh, it looks like this is a black bag. Oh my gosh, they know my style. Look, this is pretty similar, but even bigger. This is perfect. This is like for everyday wear. Like, I love the purple, but black can be seriously every day. It looks like there's some accessories attached to it, so let's see. Let me try and untie these off. This is so cute. Why do I struggle? Okay, I'm gonna keep it attached and pull out the accessories if I can. Actually, I have scissors right here. Yay. It normally never happens. Okay. So I just took the accessories out so we can look. Okay, so there's a zipper on top, which is great, so nothing falls out. And inside it looks like this. I'm not sure if you can tell, hopefully it's focusing, but there are multiple compartments in here. So there is a zipper side pocket, and then there's 2 other pockets on the other side. So it's very spacious. I'm loving this. And so in the front it does say Bolzano there, and it has this little detail, so it makes it a little different than other black bags. I really like it. It smells nice and new. Oh my god, I'm so excited. My other bag was kind of similar to this, but this is a little bit bigger. My laptop didn't really fit in the other one. I think it'll definitely fit in here. Yeah, I have my laptop right here. It will. It's sitting right next to me open, so I can tell that it is big enough. So I'm super pumped. I love it. Thank you, Bolzano. Oh my god. I'm seriously so impressed with the subscription. Like, it's such a good price for a bag. Up to $250 value. Like, that bag has got to be over $100. And you only pay, what, $33.95? And I think it does ship to the US and to some other countries. I'm not sure exactly. It says they'll calculate the shipping charge. So, sorry, I'm just double checking because I put it on the screen in case I forgot. So when you go online, you can check and see if it goes to your country. Hopefully it does. So I'm putting this on before I even showed you. There's a bracelet in there, just a simple silver bangle. I like simple jewelry, I've said that before. So that's super cute. And the earrings, let's see. They have like, is it kind of like a butterfly design? Yeah, and they're like little like gems on there. Cute. These are simple too. This will be good for the holidays. I don't know if it's supposed to be butterfly or not, but it kind of gives me that impression. So yeah, that was awesome. What do you guys think? I really liked it. Like this bag, I'm definitely gonna get so much use out of. Like I'm gonna take a picture and send this to my mom right away. She's like so jealous that I get the subscription back, so I might have to get it for her or something. But I'm loving it. So yeah, let me know your thoughts below. I will of course leave the link and the promo code. It's Kitty Gift, but I'll leave it all below and the link so you can figure it out. So yeah, and if you did get the free gift last month, or if you do get it after you watch this, let me know what you get because I want to know what the free gift is. It sounds awesome. $45 value. So yeah, I think this subscription is definitely worth it. I've loved both the bags I've received and the one I got before, which I'm gonna hit pause right now. Actually, that just reminded me, and I will show you what I got. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and I found two of the items. So there's a purse, a scarf, and a handbag, and seriously, so cute. Okay, I'll show you the purse first. So this is the bag. And I think this arrived in like July or something like that. It's such a cute orange that you can wear in fall too, which I really like because this does work with a lot of fall colors. Love it. And here in Florida I can wear it all year round, so it's perfect. And it does have a zipper closure, and then on the inside there's some pockets. So, and it has that little closure on the yeah. And I like how it has like the little bee and a little key. Super cute. I think this is adorable. And the scarf that came with it matches perfectly if you want to tie it. I think that looks so cute when people do that. This is, sorry, it's gonna cover like the whole screen. So cute, right? Like, I love it. Kind of like, you can also wear it. I'm not very good at tying these things, or I don't have to look into how you wear it, but it's beautiful and it feels very nice. The bracelet, I wore it once. I think it's downstairs somewhere. I'm not sure. I couldn't grab it quickly, but it's like a beaded bracelet and it has similar colors, so it's in the scarf and the bag. So they all coordinate perfectly, just like how this one did. I might keep this on. I don't know if I'm gonna wear these earrings. Aren't these cute? I got these through a taupe, but they're kind of heavy. So I like them for filming only. So I'll probably put on this for later. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or anything, I know some people didn't know how to use the code at first. You have to add it to your cart. I'll leave that below. Again, I've said that so many times, but I'll leave all the information down below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying your weekend, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.